Welcome to this tutorial on how to use your KOAPRO Massage Tools on your abdomen. We designed these patented tools to help you feel your best, promote relaxation and wellness. You can use your KOAPRO Massage Tools over form-fitting clothing or on bare skin with KOAPRO Massage Oil for less friction and a smoother and more comfortable massage experience. Start with light, gentle pressure and use up and down, side to side, and diagonal motions. Always ease in and massage at the pace and pressure that feels best for you. If any areas feel sensitive or uncomfortable, ease up on the pressure and focus on the surrounding areas, easing into the target area at your own pace. These 3 KOAPRO massage tools each have unique features and uses that you can take advantage of for optimal relief and myofascial restoration. The KOAPRO Original Tool is best used as a full body massager, while the KOAPRO Large Tool is great for larger surface areas. The KOAPRO Gua Sha Tool pinpoints smaller areas and preps your myofascial tissues for deeper treatment. Be sure to drink water before, during, and after your KOAPRO massage to stay well hydrated. Our patented human touch design mimics a massage therapist's fingers, palms, and elbows to soothe sore muscles and tension whenever and wherever you need relief. As with many myofascial release treatments, minor, temporary bruising, muscle soreness, and swelling may result and should resolve within a few days. Always ease in at your own pace with gentle pressure and give the target area ample time to recover between treatments. We hope this tutorial has left you feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. By incorporating these practices in your wellness routine, you'll achieve faster muscle recovery and relief for a healthy and active lifestyle.